Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the YouTube video transcription project using Python. So we have to write the command cd space llm, then stimlit run space app.py. Then it will open the web page. So it will show YouTube transcripted to detail notes converter. So you have to enter the YouTube video link. Now click on the get details note. So it will provide the complete description like transcripts. You can just scroll down. So it will give the complete description about that video. Let's scroll down. So this project developed using Python programming language and machine learning model is used, and the Django web framework is used to develop the user interface. Let's scroll down. It will give the complete transcripted notes in the detailed format. So it will show the detailed form like according to the heading wise: introduction to database normalization, data redundancy, database design, levels of normalization, example of database normalization. It will give in the table format: first normal form, second normal form, third normal form in the table format, database anomalies, insertion and deletion anomaly. So this is the complete project. If you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you need, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.